Hey everybody, it's Anthony from Axe and Plastering. I'm going to do a quick review on the Commando Kit from Columbia Tools. I've been running this system now for 12 months. The semi-automatic range is definitely a go-to for anyone that is looking to increase efficiency on the job. I think financially it might take a bit of a sting at the start, but it's only going to take 4 or 5 jobs to quickly make that money back. They don't take very long to learn how to use. They're easy to train to apprentices. Once you get your position, use that leverage on your handles evenly. A couple of little sweeps at the bottom just to make sure there's some compound on the flush head before you push it. You're going to get a sharp finish every time. We've been using this on renovations, new builds, jobs that are set at height. Those extension handles really do allow you to get a good amount of reach. They're easy to use while you're running on stilts. The application for this compound tube with the mud applicator head here, that's probably one of the smoothest ones I've used over the years. So definitely a very easy system to get the hang of. You just really want to squeeze that back as you're pushing the handle into itself. Guys, go out there, invest in these semi-automatic tools. You will not be upset by any means. ProPlast have some pretty good deals on it at the moment, so I'll definitely have a look. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit me up if you've got any questions. Bye.